Fake news. Yan ang binigyang diin ni Special Assistant to the President for Investment and Economic Affairs Secretary Frederick Go sa sinabi ni Securities and Exchange Commission Chairman Francis Lim na bumagsak ng 12% o 1.7 trillion pesos ang stock value sa Philippine stock market sa loob ng 3 linggo dahil sa isyu ng katiwalian sa bansa. Ayon kay Go, ibinasa ni Lim ang kanyang pahayag sa isang social media post na lumalabas na hindi naman totoo.
Unfortunately po, the Securities and Exchange Commission chairman was quoting off a confirmed fake news SOCMED post designed to catch attention and falsely sensationalize. The attributed source confirmed na fake news po ito at hindi galing sa kanila.
Para itama ang fake news, personal na kinausap ni Go ang pamunuan ng Philippine Stock Exchange at malalaking stock broker.
The fact is, the drop wasn't 12%. You may confirm this with the Philippine Stock Exchange or your favorite stockbroker. For the period mentioned, which is August 11 to 29, in terms of the market cap, which is the clickbait number of that fake SOCMED post, the drop po is only 1.4%.
Nilinaw din ni Go na walang umaatras na investor at walang binabawing pangako ng pamuhunan sa bansa dahil sa usapin ng korupsyon. Anya, ipinakita kasi ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na seryoso ang kanyang administrasyon na labanan ang katiwalian.
I don't think we've lost anything. The pledges continue to come in. I'd just like to stress that the swiftness and decisiveness of the President shows the resolve of the government to clean up corruption, which is good for the economy and builds confidence. From the formation of respectable members of the Independent Commission to the very swift appointment of an ombudsman with gravitas, it shows how serious the President is about fixing this problem.
Ang tinig ni Special Assistant to the President for Investment and Economic Affairs Secretary Frederick Go. Samantala, humingi naman ng paumanhin at nagpahayag ng kalungkutan si SEC Chairman Lim sa idinulot na kalituhan at pangamba dahil sa kanyang mga sinabi. Sa inilabas na pahayag ni Lim, sinabi niya na inakala niya na isang credible industry report ang pinagkunan niya ng impormasyon. Pero nalaman niya kalaunan na ang nasabing balita ay walang katotohanan. Nais lang niya sanang bigyang diin ang kahalagahan ng integridad sa merkado at ang pinsalang maaring idulot ng korupsyon sa investor confidence sa bansa.